Good evening. I'm Peter Bartnick, a board-certified civil trial attorney practicing law here in Connecticut. Welcome to our website and welcome to our employment law page. I'm assuming you're here because you're interested in employment law. You can take a look at the right side of the page, and there's a search menu. You can put in a term, and it will pick up frequently asked questions that we've posted on our website, or blog posts and videos that are related to your question. Let me give you a brief overview of what we do. We represent plaintiffs in employment law cases. We have represented employers, but 99% of the time we're representing individuals, people who have a problem on the job. Most of the work that I'm the most proud of is when I can give someone advice that ultimately saves their job, because they're under the misconception that they've got some sort of right under particular circumstances when they don't. And what happens is people believe that their boss is wrong, and they just don't understand that under these contexts that the boss may have the right to do what they're doing. For example, I get frequent questions. People call me up and say they're being harassed by their boss. And I say, what's the nature of the harassment? And it turns out what's going on is the boss is generally pressuring the employee to do a better job, or is just really keeping an eye on the employee. But unless the harassment is for a basis that's not justified under the law, for example, unless it's sexual harassment or some other harassment on the basis of some sort of protected basis, the harassment is perfectly legal. And I tell my prospective clients, I say, work means work. It's not supposed to be fun. The boss is doing their job. And what happens in this situation is the employee realizes that maybe they don't have a leg to stand on in court, and what they should do is try to work with the boss without the help of a lawyer, maybe, but not in the context of a lawsuit, and try to make the situation better without resort to butting heads with the boss. Generally, when you're butting heads with the boss, you're going to end up fired. So if someone does have an employment law question, it's good to consult with a lawyer so you know where your rights are and where they're not. And I frequently consult with people, and we end up saving their job with a simple consultation to let them know where the lines are. On our website, you'll find a bunch of information. We're free to browse it, and we hope you find it useful. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.